Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 3-pan set from imarku. Now, we're gonna open it up together and check this out, because we've gotten several products from them, and they are always fantastic. Look at this beauty. This is beautiful. So this is the 8-inch size. It's got this nice texture on the inside with a ceramic coating, completely stainless steel. It actually has a tri-coating in here. Nice handle. You can even hang this little guy up. So there is the little one. Let's get out our other ones here. We've got our little care guide. I mean, this thing, you got some nice packaging in here to keep all of these safe. This is your 10-inch one. Super nice. I love how it's got the engraving here. It's got engraving in the back. Nice stainless steel again. Nice and durable, like really heavy. It's thick metal in there. And then let's dig down here and we'll get out the bottom one. All right, and this is our 12-inch guy. So these are nice sets because you have a big size that you can do up with family, or you've got a little tiny one. If you want to make a little omelet or egg, you can easily use this one, which is what I'm going to use. But just so you can see all of the sizes together, that is really nice. I mean, they've got a little lip on the side there. Really easy to hold on to with a nice long handle. Really do like this little grip there, but great little pan. So we come on over here, and these can actually be used on induction stoves, electric, gas, whatever you're wanting to, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get this thing turned on, and we will see just how quick it works. So we've got it going down there, and I'm gonna spray the pan just a little bit, just because it makes it help it taste a little better as well. And I got an egg here. So we'll get that going and see how this pan cooks it up. All right, so we've got this getting heated up, and just scrambling it, I mean, you can move this thing around and it is not sticking at all. So that is fantastic. I love pans that I don't have to sit there and just work and work and work to try to get it to hold onto and, clean up so much work afterwards. So once we get this all done, we'll get it here on a plate. And then all you've got to do, you can either wash it in the dishwasher or you can just put it under the sink, get it cleaned up. I mean, that is awesome with how easy that was to do. Get in here. Let's see here. Let's rinse this off. I mean, that is cleaning right up. Of course, you use some soap if you're going to be reusing it, but use the soap, a little bit of water, and this is a nice pan that you can use in any kitchen, anytime. Stack them up, ready to go for next time.